Well, people, it's that time. As most of you know, for some reason, my rear window shattered on my 97 Cobra. And I got the new back glass ordered. So it's time to get rid of the window. Now I'm gonna switch around now so you can see what's going on here. There we go. There's Lorraine. Hi, Lorraine. Hi, Phil. All right, this is what the window looks like. I found it one morning. I could not find any place where it was hit. It looks like it just stress fractured. I don't know if you can see, but you can see it. It's actually bulging out. But I've got the new glass ordered. I've got to get over to the place. So I had a few ideas. One was I was going to duct tape the whole inside of the glass. That would have taken forever, and I was worried about the glass falling in on me. And so my next idea was I tarped the back, tarped the front. Well, the whole thing's a tarp, but I put a big thick piece of cardboard back there, so hopefully that'll push it all to one side. So this is kind of scary. Well, I don't know. Here it goes. I've got my safety glasses on, obviously, but and kaboom! Wow, don't get to see that very often. But geez, yep, she was ready to go. Good gosh almighty! God, what a mess. Okay, well, that's about it. Good gosh, that thing just shattered up big time. But if anybody's wondering, I get too much in there. It's going to be about $250 to replace this. So, yep, she just shattered right up. But, wow. Jeez. Well, I'm glad I got the cardboard in there. Bunch of tiny little shards in there too. But now she's all ventilated. Now I can unplug these. Not sure how they plug in, but I'll figure that out. Well, that's the window breakage kind of deal. So that's my day so far. Hope you enjoyed calamity of all this stuff. So I know I didn't, but that's how it goes sometimes. So everyone, have a good day. See ya. Bye.